Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. This is your twin flame and soulmate reading for the month of November 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner. But take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general reading for the Aquarius soulmate and twin flame reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. While doing the meditation and shuffling, I got the bottom of the deck soulmate. Some of you Aquarius, you are inviting the soulmate in your life. So in the month of November, you're going to get the reunion at the divine timing. TikTok, the timing is coming here to invite your soulmate. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of November 2021. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the important messages for Aquarius for twin flame and soulmate reading for the month of November 2021. Give me the messages which is important to deliver. Let's take 5 messages from this deck. Co-create, mending, go to the sea, 2 more messages, unfinished symphony, 1 more message. Wow. See, I told you, the soulmate. Some of you Aquarius, definitely the soulmate is coming for you in the month of November. There is a soulmate. I'm really sorry for the background noise. Here a lot of crackers are bursting out, and it is also a sign that yes, there is a definitely soulmate which is coming for you Aquarius in the month of November for you, with whom you are having unfinished symphony with. This is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, then there is co-create, mending and go to the sea. Okay, so let me read it out for you. This says you just need to go with the flow Aquarius. Okay, recognizing how pieces fit together, the natural pattern of the relationship. Okay, you just need to see how the things are fitting together each other. Just go with the flow. Okay, and there is mending here. Forgiveness is very much important Aquarius, and in today's reading the message is very clear that you need to forgive so that you can heal yourself and heal yourself first, and you can also send healing to others. Okay, so forgiveness, making amends, healing after arguments. So healing is required here Aquarius. You need to forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past, and even forgive yourself too. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let's read it out. Co-create. You have to spend more time into creativity, art, inspiration, fruition, manifestation. So you have to work on your creativity here Aquarius. So let me see more messages from, and even in this deck also there was a spiritual union which was coming here. So let's see what is the message you want me to deliver. Let me take 5 cards from this deck. Please give me 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of November. And I'm extremely sorry for the background firecrackers noise. Here there is a Diwali festival which is going on. Okay, so the first card for you is hope. Do not lose hope Aquarius, keep your hope with you. Okay, let me see more 4 messages. Harmony. Okay, you will get the harmony once you forgive who has hurt you in the past. Even forgive yourself too. Okay, so that you can create the harmony, and the harmony is coming up here Aquarius. Wow. Okay, can you see There is light which is coming up here for you. So just go with the flow. 0505 is the recording reading time. There is foundations and achievements here. This is Four of Wands energy, the marriage card, the foundations of a relationship, the twin flame, the soulmates, and this is memories of love. Six of Cups, again a soulmate card, double confirmation of soulmates. So some of you, your soulmate is coming in the month of November, and some of you, you're going to get union with your soulmate or your twin flame. Let me see one more thing. Any other message? One more message. Yeah, they are coming trumped. So they're coming at a very high speed with the Chariot here. Okay, so that's what I want to see. Okay, let me see more messages. See again, creativity. You have to work on your creativity. 0555 is the recording reading time. So that's very important, Aquarius. Okay, you have to work on your creativity. Reparenting yourself. That means you have to, wow. This is beautiful. Can you see? Soulmates. This is the third deck which I'm getting, the soulmates. You are going to get union. The soulmate is coming up for you, Aquarius. There is a soulmate which is going to manifest in your life in the month of November. Six of Cups, soulmates, and the soulmates. You have to reparent yourself. Okay, that means take care of yourself as you are the mother of yourself. Bottom of the deck, I'm having commitment. So yes, there is a commitment which is coming up for you here. And this is very beautiful message. Now let me see one message. Just cut it out, and there is twin flames. Some of you, there is a twin flame which is coming up. Okay. There is a twin flame which is coming. Your passion ignites. And for some of you, there is a soulmate which is coming for you. But there is definitely a lot of unions of twin flames and soulmates which are happening here in the month of November. And this is very beautiful reading, I can say that, Aquarius. Okay. Okay, beware of what you are projecting. For the qualities you admire in one another are the qualities you both possess equally. So the qualities you don't like are also your own reflection, because you are dealing with twin flame or soulmates. But this is for the twin flames. So beware of the qualities, Aquarius. Okay, because some of you are dealing with the twin flames. So this is beautiful message which I received here for you. Now let me see what is the thing you need to surrender. Okay, let me get again the messages. Surrender to the creativity. Okay, I'm going to take this card. You have to take care of yourself and work on your creativity here, Aquarius. Okay, work on your creativity. Let your imagination soar. Stay open to all creative ideas about how to pursue a dream or solve a problem. So you have to surrender yourself to your creativity. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving. Now let me add one message from the soul journey. What is the lesson you need to learn for the month of November? Please give me a lesson for Aquarius. Grief. I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it. The grief is the soul lesson. Okay, so this is beautiful. Now let me see more. This is beautiful reading and very powerful reading, Aquarius. Let me add one message from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. What is the message you want me to give? Wow. Forgive and forget. Again, forgive and forget is here. So you need to forgive here, Aquarius. Mending, forgive, forget anything which is still hurting you in the past, from the past, or you need to forgive yourself too. Okay, forgive and forget is the message here. Sorry for the you need to surrender to the creativity. Co-create is here. Okay, Then there is focus on the success. You need to change tracks. Okay, change your tracks, focus on the success here. You need to speak up. Okay, live your soul, not a role. So you have to live your soul. Do the things that feeds your soul, Aquarius, not the role. Okay, so that's the message which I'm receiving here. Thank you for the message. Now let me add one message from the power of love. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Please give me one message. Unity. You understand that love is shared with another, is amplified and has a ripple effect across the universe. So, and that's right, there is a ripple effect across the universe. Whatever love you shared with anyone else, that has a ripple effect across the universe. So there is unity message here. Then that's beautiful message. Okay. Now let me add one message from the angels and ancestors for Aquarius, twin flame and soulmate reading. Please give me one message for this reading. There is Earth Mother, feel loved and comforted. You can spend some time in the nature, in the Mother Earth, and you will ground your energy. Okay, that's the first message. You will feel more loved and comforted. And second is Shaman, trust in higher forces here, Aquarius, that everything is happening for your own best selves. Okay, trust your intuition, trust in higher forces. 11:44 is the recording reading time. Now let me see. Thank you, angels and ancestors, for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the angel guide. Transformation. There is a transformation which is happening here for you, Aquarius. So this is very powerful and very beautiful message here. Okay. Let me see more messages from the angels and answers. Again, forgiveness is here. So there is definitely forgiveness which is required on your part, Aquarius. Forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past. Okay, forgiveness is required. Forgive and forget. So forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past, and even forgive yourself. Forgiveness is required on your part. Okay, Aquarius. So that's the message. Now let me see messages from the fortune teller deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Twin flame soulmate reading. What is the message? The message you want me to deliver? Please give me the message. Do not lose hope, Aquarius. That's why there was a message of hope. Okay, maybe some of you are losing the hope, the despair. You're losing of hope. Do not lose hope, Aquarius. There is a hope. You have to keep your hope. There is toil and labor. So 1333 is the recording reading message. Maybe you are working a lot hard in your career wise or all, but you have to take care of your child or even your inner child also. So take care of your inner child and connect with your inner child here. There is a mature man. Okay, so maybe this is involved in your life, and that will help you out in your journey, because here I'm having a journey. So some of you are going to travel somewhere, or if you are not traveling, then there is a new chapter of your life which is starting, a new journey of your life which is going to start here. So let me see any other message. Death. Okay. 1414 is the recording reading time. The imprisonment of your own thoughts, the overthinking, the mind thoughts, that is going to end here, Aquarius. There is death and rebirth, the transformation. That's why there was a transformation, because you're going through a process of death and rebirth. Okay, so that's happening here in your life. That's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see messages from fairy tales. Some of you are at the crossroads. 1441 is the recording reading time. Please give me the messages you want me to deliver. No, they are saying no. Okay. Please give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of November. There is new hopes, new desires. 15:15 is a recording reading time. Stars, that's your energy. New hopes, new desires are coming up. And whenever the star and the sun, the sun and the moon, okay, the moon and the sun is coming in your reading, that's the soulmate card here. You are dealing with definitely a soulmate. There is sun here. This is the new happy beginnings which are coming up for the twin flame and soulmates. Okay, there is new hopes, new desires, new beginnings, new happy beginnings which are coming up in the month of November for soulmates and twin flames. Maybe you are going through some kind of hardships in the relationships. 1551 is the recording reading times, but you are crossing all the hardships here with the mountain. Okay, and this is fish. This is the good news, the good luck which is helping you out here in this journey. Okay, see, again the death card is here, the coffin is here. So all things are ending, the death and rebirth is taking place. There is a transformation which is taking place here. So you're going through a process of death and rebirth here, the cycle of death and rebirth. And again the child is here. So you have to take care of your inner child here, Aquarius. Okay, reparent yourself. That's why there was a message that you have to reparent yourself. Reparenting yourself, you have to take care of your inner child. Maybe you are not putting more effort. Okay, you're not listening to your inner child, so that's why the message is repeating here. Okay, heal your inner child, reparent your inner child, take care of your inner child here. Okay, this is beautiful messages. And bottom of the deck I'm having the Tower. So this is the divine intervention which is happening in your life. So sudden unexpected changes which are coming up for you, Aquarius. And this is always good, because whenever we have to make the necessary changes which we have to make in our life, but we are not doing that, then divine has to intervene our situation so that we can make that necessary changes. Okay, so that's why the Tower comes in our life. See, there is crossroads, there is line, there is wow. So definitely there is a divine pair here, the gentleman and the lady. Can you see there is a cup which is going to offer, there is a ring, there is a commitment. Okay, there is a ring which is coming up for you, Aquarius, in the month of November. Okay, this is the ring, there is a commitment, there is a marriage commitment or a normal commitment, engagement commitment, but there is a ring which is coming up for you, and there is a divine counterpart here. There is a gentleman and lady here, and you both will be crossing at the crossroads, or you are at the crossroads and you have to make some kind of decision here. Okay, so that are the messages from this deck, and these are very beautiful. I just cut it out, and there is clove and there is key. So definitely you are going to get the good luck is on your side, and the key, the solutions, the new beginnings are coming up for you. Okay, the key is coming. Now you can open up the locks here. Okay, so that was the messages. Now let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? Okay, what are the signs Aquarius dealing with? So you can be dealing with Taurus or Virgo, that's the earth sign here. You can be dealing with Gemini or Libra, air sign. Or you can be dealing with Pisces or Scorpio, that's the water sign here. You can be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. Okay, let me see more the signs. Again, fire sign is here, Aries and Sagittarius. Okay, then there is August and April baby. So your partner can be born on April or August here. So let me see more. Okay, so they can born on May baby here. They can born on January baby. They can born on January. They can born on October baby. You can be dealing with Taurus here, or Pisces, that's the water sign here. You can be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. You can be dealing with air plus earth element. Okay, they can having air and earth, or they can be having air or fire. You can be dealing with a Cancer, that's the water sign. You can be they can be born on March baby, they can born on July baby, they can be an earth or fire. Okay, any other? Okay, they can be born on they can be an Capricorn, they can be a sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so these are the signs which you may be dealing with. Now let's see, I'm going to use a book of answers here. This is a new sessions which I'm going to start today in my reading. This is the book of answers. I am going to ask you something. You can take a pause and ask any questions. So I'm going to give you the answer for this and apply according to your situation. If it is not applying, then you can leave it out. So I'm going to talk to you, putting a pause of 5 seconds. In this 5 seconds, you're going to ask, you have to ask yourself a question. Okay, a question which whom you want to answer it. Okay, the answer you want, I'm going to give you the answer from this. Now the time starts now. You have to ask a question to yourself. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now let's see what is the answer for your question. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, give me the answer which my Aquarius wants to know. The answer is seek out more options. Okay, you need to seek out more options. So that's the answer of your question here. So this was the answer of your question. I hope I help you out in some manner. So this was your reading for the month of November for Twin Flame and Soulmate reading, Aquarius. I hope it helped you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all of you who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.